What's the meaning of celeste? Celeste. Celeste.
Celeste. Celeste. Celeste is an Italian word that translates to heavenly or sky blue. It's typically used to describe a soft, pale shade of blue with a hint of gray and sometimes a tint of green. Celeste is often associated with a calm, serene feeling and is frequently used in art and design. It can be seen in nature, such as the sky on a clear day or the calm waters of a tropical sea. Overall, celeste is a soothing and gentle color that exudes a sense of tranquility and peacefulness.